Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So, I am at the famous MAX BMW in Connecticut because on section 4, as you guys will see, I kind of didn't completely tear the clutch up, because if I did, I'd had to get rescued out of there, but I was able to ride it to Max's, and our good buddy Rob Nye from the GS Giants and community advocate helped me out, called him up. They were able to get me in here this morning and get my bike under some service and get back on the road and get back to the Catskills in New York. So again, Max's. Now I am completely amazed by this place. I believe Max's is the largest BMW dealership in the country. And I am just, the plethora of bikes, and I say plethora, these are all bikes for sale, right? I mean, this is just pretty freaking amazing if you ask me. So as you walk in the door, I mean, look at all these trophy bikes. Look at all these. You got regular GS's, GSA's. You got everything you can think of here, even old school bikes. Beautiful. So yeah, Max is really helping us out on the Northeast BDR and helping out the community. These old timers. Just beautiful. All right, here comes the real showcase. Look at these things. 1968. Look at that. R80 GS. Only having 600 miles. Incredible. Look at these beauties. And you got some R9Ts up here. We come on the other side of the building, and we even got more bikes. Just incredible. And look at these old timers here. In the country, this is the reason why you have 18 plus techs working. Look at this. It is a well-oiled run machine here. They have the refurbs down there. All the bikes here. Look at some of these beautiful bikes. Incredible. Look at this. Look at how pristine this is. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Little R75.5. Again, thoroughly amazed. We got the old James Bond bike. But the real workings of everything is right in here. Look at this. There's Max. Max, can you say hello? Look at this. Incredible. Wow. Look at this. 1000. This is a German bike, right? It's actually
yeah, World War II.
World War II.
The sidecar's over there.
The sidecar, they had to take the gun off, right?
Yeah, yeah. They originally had like an MG42, I think, on it.
Nice.
Caliber machine gun.
You really couldn't work on that, could you?
No, the police, they told him to take it off, and he doesn't really ride around with it anymore.
Yeah, I would think that that would be a little bit of a
right?
little bit of a hindrance, right? Wow, this is incredible, guys. Incredible. Look at these. Look at this. This is awesome. Just beautiful. How you doing today?
Excellent.
So everybody, this is Max. Max, how you doing?
Hey, man.
I want to say thanks to him because I wouldn't be able to get back on the Northeast BDR. I'd be limping home to Cincinnati if it wasn't for him and his team here. So I am enthralled by your whole operation. This is incredible. Man. I mean, absolutely incredible. Like folks, if you need something, you got to come and see these guys. I mean, they've got everything, and it's unbelievable. I am like a fanboy right now, so this is pretty awesome. And he's got goats in the back too, so we'll take a picture of that as well. So anything crazy you want to say, or because you're going to be on my YouTube channel here? So, oh yeah, excellent. Absolutely. Excellent.
No,
so
hello to everyone. Thanks.
Yeah, absolutely. No, we are having some fun here, but the incredible bikes. What do you got upstairs? What's that?
More bikes.
Is that like your private collection over there? No, just more bikes
we collect and bring down and rehab and restore. And
folks, I'm telling you, if you want a new bike, they got it. If you want an old one restored, or if you're wanting to buy an old one restored, they got it all, right?
Or a parts bike.
Or a part, yeah. I mean, it's unbelievable.
Or a bike for you to restore.
Yeah. Well, the way I'm going with a 2-year-old bike, it's getting restored as it is, as we're speaking. So, this is just incredible. So yeah, again, I mean, I am just thoroughly impressed. It's everybody's is friendly, and like you could just tell everybody's just a good team and everybody's working together. So that's absolutely phenomenal.
Great group here.
Great group. All right, I'm gonna go back and see the goats. Anything else I should be aware of, or?
No, just walk around.
Look at that. I love it. This is awesome.
Well, this is trash.
Thanks again.
Thanks.
We'll see you.
See you.
All right, folks. Again, Max, if you're in the area, come and see him, okay? Take care. Thanks. All right, bye. This is Ben, correct, Ben?
Yep.
This is my bike. You can see, folks, that I have taken a little bit of a break from the Northeast BDR because it needs a little TLC. So, yeah, I tried to wash it for you a little bit. Right. Got a little dirt off of it for you. So, Becky and I talked about the goats. So we have goats at Max's BMW. So if you come here and you're hanging out for any repairs or anything like that, you can come over and see the goats. So again, if you're at Max's BMW, you're hanging out waiting, you want to get entertained a little bit, come on back in the back and say hello to all the goats. And he does a goat rescue here, so that's pretty cool. But I am just, again, I mean, they've got parts and body parts, and no body parts, but they got parts of the bike.
Okay, so we have that coming in, and your clutch is very well used.
Well, with 44,000 miles on it, it's going to get some use, especially when you're taking it off road and stuff, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's gonna.
So for as much as I do off road and everything like that, it's really not unheard of for these clutches to get wore out a little bit, right?
No.
But it's also the operator. So let's be honest. It's the operator, folks, so trust me. So
it's going to be a situation where you're
combination.
You're stressing it. You're slipping the clutch all the time, trying to get in and out of places. And all that. So it's a combination of things. Yeah.
Operator error, wear and tear, and just heavy usage where you're riding, right?
It's not your standard highway use.
Got it. Okay.
But our basket looks okay. You can see a little bit of witness marks just from the clutch plates.
Yep.
But you can't catch an edge or anything like that.
Okay.
So we're okay there. There's no grooving or anything like that.
That's good.
So we should be good in that situation. Should more or less be swapping out the clutch and
just these, right? And everything here.
Yep.
Beautiful. Basket's okay.
Yep. The front cover is good. Normally, we've seen cracks around here before.
Right.
Not that it causes any leakage or anything. This is just like an oil tank to help keep the clutch oiled.
Right.
But this is all intact. That all looks good.
So that's all good.
It looks like we're all right.
Just this?
Yeah. Looks like this.
Had your breakfast?
Okay.
Well, you guys ate that whole thing over there. What's going on? How are you guys? Look at this. It's craziness. Hi. What's going on? That's the camera. See that? Oh yeah. You guys are all doing good over here? Alrighty. Good. We get a little bit of loving down here. Here we go. Even a little bit for you. Come on over here. Alright. Who wants a headbutt? Who wants a headbutt? Yes, we want a headbutt, don't we? Do we want a headbutt? Yes, we do. Later, gang. Say goodbye.